go.
1, 2, 3, 4. Rejoice, rejoice, God's ears are stitches. Oh, rejoice, his eyes are big axes. Oh, rejoice, his arms are burning witches. Oh, rejoice, his hands perform hexes. Rejoice despite the fact this world will hurt you. And rejoice despite the fact this world will kill you. And rejoice despite the fact this world will tear you to shreds. Rejoice because you're trying your best. And rejoice, the bed you sleep in is burning. Oh, rejoice, the sky's fucking falling. Oh, rejoice, the world we know is turning. Oh, rejoice, your father's been calling. Rejoice, although this world will devastate you. And rejoice, although this world will penetrate you. And rejoice, although you will not survive. Rejoice, you'll never make it out alive. And rejoice, your hair, it smells like burning.
We are indeed rejoicing.
Oh,
Welcome back.
your nails all got chewed off. Oh, rejoice, and holy fuck, you're bleeding.
See, this was... I like this album a lot. People who can eat people are the luckiest people in the world.
Rejoice despite the fact this world will hurt you. And rejoice despite the fact this world will kill.
But anyway,
And rejoice despite the fact this world will tear you to shreds.
let's start now.
Rejoice because you're trying your best.
I used to listen to that album every time I ran on a treadmill. When I used to live at a hotel for my internship at the company I'm now working at. So it was like 4 miles of running every single day to this album. But anyway, this isn't the AJJ listening stream. This is the video game development stream. Yep. I was trying to get up to... What was I trying to get up to? I think I was trying to work my way up to like 6 miles in the time span of the album. I forget if that's right, though, because that might be... No, it's like 27 minutes. I think you could do... 6 miles would actually be pushing it. That'd be pretty fast. I think I got up to 4 miles. A little over 4 miles. But anyway, I've actually done some stuff off stream. So today, I was supposed to do a side quest today, but I don't actually have any ideas. So what I wound up doing yesterday off stream was I did a refactor of my dialog scripting where I added this new syntax. So before, most of my... Basically, I had a system where this is just straight up Godot script, so it just inserts raw code into the scripting language, and this works fine. Except I realized that most of the time I'm calling one function with string arguments, so I wanted a way that was less just less typing, less special characters in it, less holding shift and moving around the arrow keys and stuff. So I wound up with this syntax, which is sort of like Objective-C, except everything after this colon is a string argument. And then I can split between it like extra tag. And this is all one string with stripped white space, so that way I don't have to worry about any of that stuff. So yeah, I basically went through, changed everything in the game to use this. And this is going to be useful because I'm also going to be adding today, and I'm going to be reworking my note system. So let's go to game state. So my notes, I have some annoying things, which are, I have my journal, which is a dictionary of dictionaries of arrays, I'm pretty sure. Yeah. Dictionary, array. So this is going to be gone. Because I had, like, I also had task notes, which were annoying to deal with, because then I had, like, the tasks themselves also had people that were associated with them. So, like, this would be, like, let's see. It would be, like, journal, people, places, active, completed. Like, active and completed being the active and completed tasks. And then it would be, like, I don't know, person. And then an array of notes, like, so it'd be like, what if I want this note to also be part of an active task? Or what if I want to note where the place was, where the person was in the place? I basically just had to duplicate the notes across this. So what I'm doing now is I'm going to have a new journal, which consists of, like, a note, so, and it consists of, like, a list of tags. So this will be like the person, place, task, everything else. And to write this, because I also have, like, some confusing stuff with these stats are everywhere, but I barely ever use these stats for or I want these stats to also by default correlate to something in the journal. So, like, if you remember, because, like, or I guess because these stats can be used internally, but they're also things that change dialogue. And now that I'm getting more, the journal is getting more and more important mechanically, pretty soon at least, I want the ability to easily check, like, one of these stats for the player to check it in the dialogue and, like, this, or the journal, and see basically what the game is going to see when it checks these things. So if we go to my to-do list, I think it's in mechanics or tech. Yeah, so this is now going to be our new function. It'll be note, then it'll be like the internal ID that I want to track, then the actual text, and then some tags. And this plus sign means that it's actually a list of strings, not one string. So let's just add that here. So it'll be export array var journal. And I guess I actually will need, actually, let's do, how do I want the tasks to go? I guess I do want this. Okay. And then in global, so yeah, now we're going to remove this note. So it'll be, instead of a category and a string, it'll just be tag. Like get note by tag. Well, actually, let's remove all this stuff. So we have mark map, we have this, that, the other. There we have, like, add this. So let's just do, like, note. function add note. So what note will do is it'll take an ID string. So we don't need any of these with these note tasks and stuff. Because all this note variable nonsense. And also like here I had like task notes because I had to do like funky stuff where I had nested tasks and things. Yeah, I won't need any of this stuff. And like get task notes, task is active. Okay. And I can also do return task in game state.active tasks. Oh wait, ID. So this is just going to be a string, what have you. Actually, let's get some more music on. Kurt City Nights soundtrack. That's an easy bet. What'd you forget to mention? What'd you think of it? See, I'm also gonna do ID string. Oh, cool. Thanks. Let's do like journal. I'm just going to do a sin, and I'm just going to have it be an array of arrays. Let's also do a dictionary here of journals, or entries by journal, or tag. Or journal by tag. Oh yeah, and how is the performance on the demo? Because I've been thinking, because I've mentioned a few times that I am worried about the performance, but I've also realized that I do stream the game while I'm playing it, so that does significantly affect the frame rate I've found. But I want to make sure that I don't want to dismiss any performance issues outright. Let's do journal by, let's do like for t in tags, if t in by tag. Okay. T I and this will be a map of okay. That's good to hear. So I think eventually I might just wind up doing a big performance pass anyway. Because I would like the game to stream at 60 FPS. And currently, at least I know at least that it doesn't do that. Let's see, and let's do journal by tag t dot append index. So what I'm doing here is this is going to be map of tags to an array int same. Alright, and then let's do get notes by tag. I'll figure that out soon. But I'll also need a create task. Oh, yeah. I've heard some people, yeah, I've heard a few people say that the sensitivity was too high. And I think, especially for the mouse, there was, I realized that it was frame rate dependent. So yeah, the next version should fix that. And I think maybe I should release an early version, because I decided I was gonna, my deadline for the next version was, August 7th, but I've already done some bug fixes on things that people pointed out, so hopefully, maybe I should just release like a 1.5 or something. I guess this would just be an array of strings. Let's do like text plus tags in journal by tag ID. What are you doing here? Alright, I'm bar result equals an empty array. Result dot append text plus tags 0 to get just the text. Okay, so now we also need something to remember people. So I guess I'll put that in like stats or something. Oh, thanks. Yeah, I'm glad I have a lot of fun climbing around as well, so I'm glad that other people are enjoying it. Let's see. So I think now, to get the journal working, I need to track the people that Jackie meets, or something like that. So there is a bit of funky stuff that I have to do here. I guess I can have like a yeah, I guess I'll do it like this, so that way this can be equals people. So there's a few layers of indirection here, unfortunately, but that's, I guess, okay. Let's fix this. So if t in state.active tasks. Or let's do like and I don't need this. Let's see, is this correct? So we have find, maybe. Okay, it is find. And then we have remove, I think. Yeah. So that's correct. And then I don't need to do any of this stuff. I can just do if t in state dot complete. And then I don't need any task general notes and all that stuff. In fact, I can straight up delete tasks. I don't need find task anymore. Let's do add note. I should put these in a similar place. So we have oh wait. No, this goes up here with notes. Alright, so now I need to get my... Let's start with the note function. Where's all my stuff? I have so much stuff. Close other tabs. The only thing we need right now is the global state, maybe the game state, and the dialog viewer. Okay. So we have remember. So let's do remember subject. And then we'll do add notes. Note subject. Oh, is there a has note? So this will be, there we go. Complete task, task is active, task exists. Let's flag count. Node stat. Oh, okay. Okay, so I'm going to temporarily... Well, I guess I don't need to temporarily disable the journal. I'll just not look at the journal for now. Because now I need to go through basically everything that I have. So let's do like, what is it, like, create task? No, what was it? It's note task, okay. So I think now... Yeah, so I can do a bunch of simplified stuff. Actually, let's do a note function. So this will be stat string ID or text string tags array. Hi, I'm making a I'm improving my internal journaling system. Because I have notes for tasks and things, but they're all confusing and jumbled together with stuff. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a note here. Text tags. There we go. So now, like, let's say, for example, I can do notes. Or let's do, like, global create. Task. I think that's what I need. Is that what I called it? Yeah. So I think this isn't even a task that's going to be in the final game, I don't think. Gonna be is mountain statue. There's some funky syntax here. So fountain statue, alter. This will be a good little test of this. Maybe. It's like I don't need this. This is add note. I don't need this. I don't need this one, I don't think, because a lot of the problem with these is that they were duplicated because basically each one was completely independent. So like, you know, like when I saw it in the map, I would only see this node because it's associated with a place. Let's see. I'm gonna just do, so this one's just gonna be this node. Then we're gonna do and this also still needs fountain statue. So yeah, this is going to be a lot of sort of stuff, I guess. Okay, let's create the task. Then we add it. Okay, is there any other... I think that's good here. Oh, wait, no, that's not too bad. Okay, that's fine. Let's go through the tasks. So it'll just be... Wait, what? Oh, I guess... Okay, hang on. I don't think I create this task. Yeah, I don't create that task there. I create it up here. And then I don't need... There we go. It's no location, so it'll just be add note. Note. Should I add stats here? Task exists, fountain statue. Oh, okay, that's fine. Maybe I should also have an optional, you know what, I will have an optional string here. So let's do, create task, and then there'll be a note. Well, yeah, that'd be fine. If, let's do, note not equal this. Add note. Note, that's okay. That way, this way I'm explicitly creating a task. And also I see here, I didn't properly go through this. Because I bulk modified a bunch of these things because I added this syntax yesterday. I mean, actually, yeah, so we have these as well. Don't I do this? I'm fiddling with this syntax, probably more than I should be, but that's okay. I need that still. Okay. Wait, actually, this isn't even meant to be here, I don't think. Or at least, that's no longer relevant. I, like, wrote that out of the story. Oh, wait, that's not. Okay. Create task. Do I? I guess I still want... Yeah, I still have a note there. Okay, so what I need... Rate that. Then we'll do notes. How many of these do I have left? Oh, jeez. I guess it's more than I thought. And bird. I guess I should make sure that tasks and people... Well, I guess tasks and people can have the same names. They'll just have the same notes, though. That could be tricky. Oh well. Okay, do we have any other task notes? Don't think so. Seems to look good. Should I do add note? So yeah, this is the idiom that I'm replacing here, where I create some stat that's tracked, and then I add a note to the journal. I can just do that in one swoop, and basically tie them together. Foster home has now become my responsibility for some reason. So I guess this will be Strange Girl, Lily Tiras. And in a lot of these, I can also oh, I duplicated this entire panel, or duplicated this entire thing here. So yeah, great task. Well, what do I want to do with create task? I'll just do, there we go. Hopefully I remembering to add that little plus sign. I think that's going to be one of the shortcomings of this syntax, is the fact that it doesn't automatically like detect which functions need a list of strings and which ones just need a string. And also I don't need to escape quotes, and in fact I'm pretty sure it'll wind up unescaping the quotes and mess things up. So task exists. So let's do flight test Lily. Okay. I'm also going to have a thing, so let's go back to my dialog viewer real fast. Oh. So, get talked stat. So let's do like if friendly ID, I think. How should I do this? Yeah, I know what I'll do. I'll just, oh yeah. Have to do that first. I think. What does remember do? Okay, yeah. That's what I needed. So when we exit, at stat, if main, so if friendly ID in main speaker, global.remember main speaker, friendly ID. So what we'll do is when we exit the dialog, it'll add this to the list of people if it has a name. And then if we note it at some other point, it'll be noted, I guess. This is gonna be there's a lot of stuff that I'm gonna have to figure out. But okay. Is this create task? Letter delivery. Closing across. Natia. I think her name is Yomi. Okay. I didn't even refactor this one for some reason. You'll see my brilliant methodology for fixing these. Oh, these ones currently don't have, whatever. But okay. So we need task remove place, task remove. Oh, right. I forgot that I had task remove. That may actually be... well, I guess what can I do? I could do like I know. Okay, so we remove that, add stat not yet leaving, so let's just do notes. Letter delivery hideaway. Woman. Natia Yomi. Letter delivery. Deliver the letter and received it home. And so what I'll do is also, this abolish notes will, I guess, mark them as inactive, so it'll be, let's go back up to note. Didn't get notes by tag. Initial tag or t in n1. If not, wait, I know, for t in tags. If not, t in n1. Continue. How do I do this? I hope I hope I can just edit the tags in place. Let's try n1 equals n1.append. I'm adding so much code that I haven't tested yet. Because this doesn't even add the notes yet. Or I haven't even done like the UI updates yet. Oh, note task. So here, letter delivery. So I want not yet, mountain village. I'm seeing here that I keep forgetting these little plus signs. Okay. So now we have a million things. Also, I'll need to figure out how to not abolish this. Well, I guess this note can be abolished as well. I guess I don't need this. Okay. Oh, phew, we're actually... Alright, create task. The tree tower. So yeah, here's another one where I had like a billion notes that were like redundant. So let's do notes, and we'll do tree tower, B tree tower, Riley. Because all those dialogue notes were written under the task, but they were also written in different places. So I didn't want them all to be identical, but they were actually meant to give identical information. Okay. So I guess I'll do add note. Because we don't have a stat backing this up. Okay, and I think... I'll just do that. Well... yeah, let's just do add note. Tree tower. Do I want mark map still? I guess I need that. Wait, does this not... oh, okay. I need to do task note. Let's clear this. Okay, so I did forget a few places with this. That's alright. Add note. I need to come up with a better name for that village. Let's do global create task bridge conspiracy. A lot of these are like, Okay, so let's do global create task. Let's do notes slash records. And last but not least, I think I already did this one. Alright, that looks good. Okay, so I should do like a thorough playtest to make sure that I didn't break every single quest and thing. Well, I also need to still update the UI to match this. Oh, okay, and I also have this. Right, okay. Alright, so I need to... Okay, so it looks like I need to do this a little earlier than I thought. Let's go through my journal. And all this code, because it was a complete mess the first time I did it. Okay, but we'll have people, places, active tasks, completed tasks. Let's just do, IDs equals get notes. Notes equals get if people is array IDs equals people. Let's just do if people. And we'll do the same thing here. Actually, I need let's just do. So what is it? Category equals okay. Okay, category equals tasks, and then IDs will equal, because these are all just lists of IDs now. Ta-da! Oh, and I also need the categories though. Identifier task is not available here. Ew. Okay, so let's just get var n equals, no, n equals global dot task, no, notes, get notes by tag, subject. So we actually don't even need this at all, honestly. I don't need this. And we don't even need category, really. Oh wait, no, we do need the category. Okay, so we need all this. We just don't need this stuff. In fact, we could just do... I guess this is fine. And so we'll just do subject notes. So we'll no longer have this task notes, like a separate task notes thing. So let's go through. So like we have, where is it? So we have notes, notes list. I think this is the second. What the heck is this? How do we do this? Subject notes and task notes. Okay, so it's notes slash list. Let's just not have that anymore. We have notes, headers, rule 2. I guess this is notes, texture rig. So what's this gonna be? Get that out of there. So I think I would like for this to wrap. So can I make this, like what happens if this is longer? It's like, let's do like label. Okay. So we need this to be, maybe it's this one? Keep aspect centered. Maybe keep aspect? So yeah, let's do sample text again. So I want it to be that this stays on the top right. There we go. Okay. And also this now needs to be a scroll container. And also I'm pretty sure... So this is full. This thing, we can also do expand, horizontally and vertically. Okay, I think that gives me what I want. And this will just keep aspect. Maybe we'll just keep. Yeah, we'll just keep. Maybe. We'll keep aspect. I'll make this smaller though. So like, what's the min size here? Let's do like 250, I think. Or maybe it should be 400. Well, I'll just see how that looks. So now we need the notes to be panel hbox notes. So panel hbox scroll /notes. guess this one. Oh wait, no. Panel HBox. No, okay, so that's in the correct place. Which one of these then? Scroll/notes, I guess. Okay. Clear subject notes. So we're getting way simpler now. And then let's do, so note in n. So note is actually going to be 0. If in note 1. So this will be, so abolished is the tasks that are like removed. So let's do if type not equal to nope type dot completed tasks continue. There we go. So currently it'll just de-emphasize, or it'll just remove it completely. All right, let's see if this train wreck works. Not quite. Because I keep accidentally deleting things. Add note. Ah, okay. So this will be our very first thing. Hi, welcome to the stream. I am making a train wreck. Trying to assign value of type int to type array. Well, stat people. So I need to figure out how this works then. IDs as an empty list, category is people. Game state. Can I look at stats? Let's do, hang on, let's continue here. Nah, let's not continue there. I guess I'll do stuff without viewing the renderer first, and then we'll figure out that. So, I need stats. So where is people? Oh, right, okay. I actually need, so. Or 0? No, or this? I wonder if this will work. So that was because an empty and not quite. Task notes by place. Oh, right. So let's just get notes by tag. G.name. I guess get notes by tag gives me an array of strings. Oh, wait, let's do like... It'll be if include abolished. So if not include abolished, and in text plus tags 1, continue, else. Okay, so we're not going to filter there. We're going to do it here. So this will be, that'll be good. And then, where is the journal? So here we actually need get notes by tag. Where's get notes by tag? There we go. So I can remove that. Okay. Eventually it'll work. Oh, I see. I'm gonna do, I'm gonna need to remove my headline, I guess? Ah, well. Recklessly refactoring. Alright, do I have any... I don't have any map stuff. Oh. And this stuff isn't quite good. Okay, I just need to... So let's do... var s equals dot category if s equals s. There we go. So I probably need to start a new game, which will crash the game. I think this game is very solid technologically, as we can see. Okay. So the map is still there. Invalid get index 1 on base int. Journal by tag. Text plus tags. Oh. Right. This is IDs for ID. Wait, what? Oh, I need... Oh, okay. It's because I need this. ID. Then I do... Alright, let's do for... Oh, wait, no. What is this? So this is for note index. Var text plus tags equals game state journal note index. Okay, now we finally have this. All right, and then M. So what does that mean exactly? Let's carefully examine the data here. So where could that go wrong? That was the player start. Mark map hideaway. M. Is there warnings? Variable t is declared. I don't need that. So why is the, like, let's do like game global dot game state dot journal. Okay, so we have, you know, correct note, not much to look at aside from the medium, and then tags. Okay, so that looks good. So then why is the, so here the note is good, and then here in the journal, it's not so good. Why is that? Oh, it's because of this. Okay, that was because I thought I was getting the array of note tags, but I wasn't. Alright, so now we have a much cleaner system that I can use for like tasks and notes that are about people and places and things at the same time. So let's go, I don't know, let's just do like a full run, I guess, of the entire game. Let's see. Oh, right. I'm seeing some issues here. I just realized I think I have to re-import the dialogue, maybe? Strong. What? Oh, okay. I forgot. Some of these actually do need the curly brackets still. Right, I'm also gonna... I should probably not have that because that's like not... Like, that editor is significantly worse than mine. Like, my proper one. So let's just re-import this. Because I think as I updated the scripting, some of it isn't... Well, I broke some of the parsing while I was updating stuff, and then it didn't update again. That's confusing, or that's concerning, I should say. Because why is that not working? Let's go to my dialog importer again. So we'll do... So my new square expressions. Let's print out... rm.getString transforms into the square expression. Invalid type, invalid index, get string. Oh. Okay, so I should be feeding these in. So like, these are all the conditions of this expression. So like, this is what it looks like here. And this is what it gets turned into. So what is our... Why is this not working then? Because I can open this up. So like we have conditions here, otherwise. Text, skip. Oh, I'm not removing the dialogue. Hang on. I don't think. So yeah, let's do like... line dot equals line dot replace rm.get string nothing. I'm sure I'm supposed to do that already. I'll just hide that. Like, do I not do that? I guess I don't. Okay, well, this will be fine. I don't know how I didn't see that. I guess I really haven't done much testing with this. Oh, wait, okay. It's only gonna work when I re-import. I have to re-import all the dialogue again. Maybe I guess I can just go into the, like, internal folder and delete all of the dialogue there. Yeah, because I'm seeing now, the conditions are actually evaluating properly. It's just not removing them. Or it's not removing that data from the actual text that's printed to the player. What the heck? What is this? Line equals line.replace. Do I have to do something different? Oh, dictionary.line. I think. Yeah. Okay. Because it returns the new string in the dictionary. Right, hang on. I need to re-import this again. Then we can not do that. There we go. So let's go. I guess I'll just mash A until the dialogue goes. Okay. Let's see what we got. So we have nothing in the journal except for Mazlikir. What's that about? Journal. Host home. Armstrong and Armstrong. Let's do. I know what I need. Wait, why are there two? Okay, with Hideaway Mazlikir, activate the medium. So let's do, like, global game state journal. I wish I had some pretty formatting, but oh well. Excursion. Oh, some of them are capitalized. Right, okay. And I need to go to... Let's find all... Because I used to, see. I guess I could just lowercase it as well. Yeah, so that explains why those are there. That doesn't explain why the notes disappeared, though. And also, I think, what does global speaker do? Journal.gd. No, dialog viewer. Remember, main speaker.friendly ID. Subject. So let's do. So this will be. Speaker dot friendly. What would it be? I guess it'll be speaker stat. Yeah, because I don't remember the actual name there. Okay, so let's go through. Start a new game, which crashes. And that'll be something I want to fix before V2 of the demo releases. So let's talk to this guy again. Blah, blah, cool. And I guess I can also just do... I have my new fancy debug thing, where I can just press X to go to the next choice. Alright, map. So we have our map. We have this. We have host home Armstrong. Host home Armstrong Armstrong. Why do we have 3 Armstrongs here? Mass the clear. Activate the medium. Oh, I know why. It's because we need to not append if... Okay, let's go to remember. Global remember. If category and if not if not tag. I already did that, I just didn't. Okay. I mean, I guess something funny that I could do is I could make a dictionary of, like, instead of an array of strings, I could have a dictionary of strings to ints of the number of times somebody else has mentioned the character. Then I could integrate that into conversation, but I'm not going to do that for now. Because that seems like it'd be a feature that I'm not going to use. Okay. So now let's go back to the map. We have that. We have that. Journal. Host home. Armstrong. Hideaway. Maslick here. Activate the medium. So maybe we do need our... whatever. But that's fine. So he must be a little fellow by the medium. Cool. We have this guy. Blah, blah. Global task is active. Activate them. Why? Oh, right. Because his text... Okay, so I need to re-import all the dialogue to get that bug fixed, where, like, it shows the code next to the person's dialogue. But otherwise, that should be fine. And then let's see if I can abolish the notes and stuff. Or, what should I do? I know, I'm going to save right here. Because I know something that I want to do. So let's go to abolish notes. If not, and then when we complete a task, we'll also abolish notes of task ID. Oh, right, tags. Okay, so now once I activate the medium, they did not. Oh, right. I need to, when the game is loaded, so let's go to load, I guess. Reset game, reload, current checkpoint. Maybe like, function ready. We can do like, well, what do I want? Reset game, reload current scene, load sync. So where is this done? And can I just do... Alright, let's do if game state, or if for entry in game state dot journal I equals 0 for t in tags, or like entry 1 if t in in journal by tag and I else. Alright, journal by tag T. Okay, so this should generate the dictionary that's actually used to get the notes from the journal, maybe. Oh. So let's see if that worked. That did work. Now we have these here, and we have an empty string. That's fun. So yeah, let's go to 112. And I'll need to figure out why there was an empty string in the people, but that's okay. So let's go to landlord. Host. Home. Oh no, he's in 124. I think? No, he's here. Let's just look around for the player's house. It's right here. Intro NPC, visual name, host, friendly ID, landlord. I guess maybe just host. Let's just host. Do I want that to be... I guess that's fine. Let's do this again from the top. Some of the characters will have code in their dialogue, which is fine for now. Because I'll just clear the like cached results and re-import it. Alright, so let's do this. All looks good. Mum is not here though. Oh wait, it's because okay. Player start. I need to remember. Or let's do like... And we will redo it again. Or maybe I'll just do like... Let's just... Perfect. It seems reasonably good there. Let's see if I can figure out all this stuff. So we have up there, there. Let's save. So what are these little errors here? Set path, expected image data of size 16 by 1 by 4. I'm not sure why it would be expecting that. All right. Okay, so I need to... What do I need to do? Jump up here? Also, Jackie looks so bad with this flat lighting. Okay, so activating the meat... what is this? When did I get this? So why do I have that? Let's do like global.stats. Alright, let's just do stats. Stats, I think is what it is? Yeah. So this should tell us, so we have people. Why do we have an empty item in people? So it's like, remember? No, what am I doing? So remember is where this is added. So we append a tag there. So what is happening with that? Oh, the game crashed. Okay, let's just go to journal. If So let's just do subject focused. If key equals this. I'll just skip it for now. We'll just ignore that problem by some redundant error checking. Or what should be redundant error checking, but is apparently not. Okay. So apparently something in here. Maybe, well, actually, maybe it was that guy. Oh, I think I know what it is. Hang on. Let's go to game state. Wait, where am I going? Or dialog viewer. So subject, so speakers, well. Ah, okay. And main speaker dot friendly ID not equal to empty. Okay, that's what it was. Because all the NPCs have friendly IDs, like the field friendly ID, but most of them don't have it set. So that would explain why that was happening. Because basically, anytime, like, once I'm done talking with that guy, it would remember him, but he doesn't have an actual ID. He just has the field ID. Okay. And I guess I'll keep that redundant warning there, just in case something else happens, because, you know, I'd rather not have visual bugs. I'd rather have the bugs be hidden and locked away in logs that I'm not going to read. Also, I'm thinking my fully upgraded, like, this week I was doing a bunch of stuff with the UI, but I think they're probably too big. Like, well, I like them, like, at this size. I think they're good, but the full size is probably just way too big. So I'll have to figure out what I want to do with those. Or, like, how to simplify them, or, like, make them smaller. Like, this stamina bar is, like, at a perfect size for, as it is. And then it gets like 8 times bigger and it takes up half the screen. How are players supposed to get out of here? This is too complicated for me. I guess it'll be like one of those sink or swim moments for the player where they have to figure out how to actually get out of there. And hopefully they don't mind the player janking out. Okay, so what was I doing? I guess we talked to here. Oh, right. Not great. If not abolished in N1. Oh no. I need get notes by tag. Include abolished. So let's do like false through, so it'll be like full entry. If, let's do text plus tags if full entry else. And I guess I don't even need this because that's already there. Also, I'm just realizing this is probably not even going to work anyway. So let's just do, yeah, let's remove that full entry stuff. So what do I need? Get notes by tag. I need, for n in, journal by tag. Initial tag. Note equals journal n. If so then game state dot journal n1 dot append abolished. Okay. So now we should hopefully be able to abolish the notes. Did I remember to save? I guess I'll do this again. Oh, what? Tasks activate the medium. What? Is it this white thing I found? Oh, okay. Okay. And now... Oh, I need to fix that. Oh, this is a different bug. So let's just do bugs. Annoying. Jackie sits backwards on the medium chair. Okay. So I think this is all good. So blah 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 blah. Epic stuff. Ta-da. And also there's a bunch of screwy stuff in there. But okay, that's not what I'm dealing with now. Let's go to my tasks. So let's also put duplicate entries for Armstrong. Maybe need a note once. And so yeah, I could do like I could do that. Just have a note once thing where it's like, if the note already exists, it throws it out. Otherwise, it does the normal stuff. Actually, I guess, I wonder if I could just do that with note. Maybe note should do that. Let's just do like, well, so it would be like dialog viewer notes. What? Don't I have a literal function right in here called note? Okay. Function notes once stat string text string tags array. And that's all good. Note mom info needed. And then if stat turn false turn note stat text tags. Okay, so the medium did not work. Let's go to the medium. Also, I know what I'm going to do. So where's my print stuff? So I need print, debug, bad expression. Let's just do like... Oh, I don't even format this properly. Add, what do I do? Text message? How do I just put a label? Is that what it's called? Show message. Hang on. Insert label is what it's called. All right, let's do this then. So print label, no starting label. What else do we have? So failed to parse. I guess I'll do it like this. Okay, that's fine. So now I insert the actual message that I get. And also I need to go back to the medium. That was the one that messed up. Medium. Remember. Or was it, what was it? Note task or something? I don't get it. Maybe it's empty? Let's start a new game for the 500th time today. Oh, I was supposed to eat. Oh well. I was 30 minutes late. I can eat lunch 30 minutes late. Alright, let's see our map. Looking pretty good. Alright, let's also make sure... Is there... I guess maybe there isn't any thing there. Okay, well this is just a bug. Like there's just something... I just did something wrong with the dialogue now. So this, that's fine. Not global stat Armstrong intro. So where do I add that? Add stat. Maybe... Huh. So I guess I just accidentally removed it at some point. Okay. I have 2 capacitors. It should be working. Plunk. There we go. Okay, so that explains why that stuff is all screwed up. Yes. Then we'll sit backwards in the chair, which I don't know when that broke. And then also here... Oh, I think when I skipped through the dialogue. So, okay, when I do that, it messes things up. What the hell is this? What is even happening here? I'll be back. Why did that happen? So the game is now frozen infinitely. Well, video game works. Alright, let's just go to the illusory room. This is driving me crazy. Why is everything broken? How many things did I break? It's like, we have this. A-okay, looking good. So like, what what is happening with the material then? Is there like two of them? It's like I don't see anything in here. I think maybe it's just, I think maybe that pressing X to skip all the dialogue instantly is like causing some sort of issue. So I should probably not have that available then. Ah well, whatever. I didn't even check the actual bug that I meant to check, which was that this, this note was for some reason not working properly, like it was formatted badly. But I know the perfect solution to this. Let's go to my files for this project. So I'm going to remove all of the dialog files, so dialog. So I wonder if I can just select all of these. Then it'll re-import all of our dialogue again. There we go. Let's start a new game. I gotta figure out that crash. That's so... It's just so annoying. Especially the fact that it's completely silent. So, don't care about that. Let's do... Item... Capacitor. Okay. Plop that in there. Let's mash. Error. Failed to parse note. Mum info needed, mum. Okay. So why is there a comma? And also, why was there a plus sign in there? Okay. Dialog viewer. Pause. Because I think if I save here and then unpause, yeah, it doesn't crash then. Okay. So clearly there's something wrong with my list argument system. So that's in dialog importer list, or like I guess it'd be like this maybe. All right, also I need to remove all of these. So these no longer exist. What do I need? If items. So, but there's no thing there. There's nothing there. It goes plus and then empty. So if items message equals 0, message equals square arguments plus s2. I guess maybe I need to do this here. So let's do like 2 equals s2 dot strip if s2 empty continue. So like, did I put like a tab in here maybe? And why does everything, so everything else seems to work though, which is confusing to me. So what do I need now? I guess I need to, oh, okay, so task is still active, so I guess I can just talk to him again. So now, all right, activate the medium. It's activated. Okay, now it's in completed. Yes, da. Error failed. Why is it? What is going on? What is going on with this thing? And why are the materials fading in and out? Why are they swapping? Like, and it's not even like, what's especially weird, it's not even Z fighting, so it's not like, is there just some graphics bug now that I have to deal with? Like, how is it only, it's at certain camera orientations, but the entire object disappears and is replaced with like a gray, is it completely unlit? Is that what I'm seeing? What the fuck does this mean? I guess it's not completely unlit. It's just for some reason not affected by any of the lighting. Oh, it's only affected by the green light. So it's a different mesh. So it's like, I was trying to select this. I'm getting like, okay. What is happening here? So what if I activate this? Can I see what's happening here? Like, can I see it in here? Because I don't see anything. Like, we look at this. The chair's there. All this stuff exists as its own thing. It does not have any special attachments. I guess it's maybe the material... I mean, it could be these hologram materials and stuff. But, wait, no, but those shouldn't change the layers that affect it. Like, currently they're all in this layer, but clearly the meshes that I'm seeing here are only affected by that green light. And also, what the fuck? Now they're all invisible. what does this mean? Okay, it's clearly something to do with my animation, but I don't know how. So where's that activator? So it's invisible. Then it's visible. And then if we deactivate, so it goes from visible to invisible. Alright, this is just an unrelated bug, so I won't deal with that for now. What I will deal with is this. Why does everything else work? So let's go to like Armstrong dialog. So let's see. So I think if they're going line by line, where is our like plus? Oh, I'm seeing. Wait. $130. Let's go to $130 then. Because that could be at least in the ballpark of where I'm looking. Okay, so there's a comma, there's... Oh no, okay, so all of them are screwed up. I just haven't noticed it yet, because that was the first time that I actually had it. So my list is screwed up. So let's go to dialog importer. So message, so if items. Do I skip the first item? Also, I was supposed to do this. I don't know how I messed that up. But I think I skipped the first argument. Wait, I know. Strip edges. So let's do like... S2 equals square arc. So it'll continue, and then if messages, we do that, then items plus equals 1. Let's re-import this. And we can go back to 130. Oh, the plus sign is in here. What does that mean? If a dot begins with a equals substring, one. Okay. So there's the plus sign that was being added and then removed. So does this work still? So why is this not re-importing now? Like it's not running the code again. Plugins, np dialog, enable disable. Now it's not working. What the hell? Oh wait, hang on. My dialogue thing. No, okay, so that's fine. Project settings, well, where's my dialog? So now all my dialogue is gone because it's not importing properly. Like, load. Okay, just close the thing. Restart it. Figure out what's wrong. Go back to 130. Add note, blah blah blah. There's a capacitor in the cave. Okay. And then we have... There we go. Okay, that's what I needed. So let's just, cancel. Let's go back to my... What have you. Project import dialog. Okay. So now there's this. So Plateau Town. I think I could add that to the to notes there. But okay. So I think now, finally, at long last maybe. Well, I need to start a new game to actually figure it out. So let's just get, like, item capacitor. I need to do, like, a thorough test of the game again. Okay. There's that, and then there's alright, whatever. Get that done. That gets our tasks. And then this funny little bug, this cool little bug, it's not happening now. Oh, it only happens when she shows up. Oh, okay. I know exactly what it is. And I don't know why it didn't Z-fight, though. That's the weird part. But basically, we go to her... Yeah. She has the whole scene. She has the whole shebang attached to her. I guess that's fine, whatever. Don't save our changes there. Okay, so that gives us good enough. Okay, so now we don't have any bugs. Alright, let's just go to open characters, maybe. Oh, for God's sake. It should be fine. It should be fine. Like, it should not be all screwed up like it is, but it is. Like, I click export, and I say active scenes or active layers, collections, or whatever they are, only. And then it exports whatever it wants to. Like, I uncheck these, but it determines, it's like, there's 10 million, like, things in Blender are so, like, sticky. And what I mean by that is, like, you can't delete things. You just have to, like, unmark them and hope they are. You can't apparently deactivate scenes by just clicking this checkbox. Oh, no. Okay, so that's just exclude from the view layer. That's what that means. Okay. So how do I deactivate a scene? Or, like, remove it? Because when you do GLB export, it says active collection. Active collection. And you think, oh, I unchecked it so it's not active anymore. But it's always active. There's some, like, magic, like, incantation that you have to, like, where it, like, implicitly decides when it is or isn't active. It's okay, like, did I mess it up here? Is exporting it here a bad idea? Let's go back here. Okay, so we see here. We see here it is working, as it should. And then I will close that surgically, precisely. Okay, so let's go. I've done plenty of stuff now. Done a bunch of stuff. Refactored notes system. I guess I'll push that. That'll be fine. Okay, so now I'm going to take a delightful little break and do something else. I'll be back at, like, I guess 2:30. Take an hour and a half. See you then.